where we're going. Okay? Because that's exactly what we need. A specific thing. Okay, player 5. We may protected P model. What is this? P model equals okay. So we might want a protected, come on, protected game object logo. Okay, and we're going to explain why. The logo game object is for resource loading, and it's like I explained earlier in a previous thing. Yes. Is it going to be where I want it? Actually, I don't think we're going to put this in this video because I have to talk about dictionaries and all kinds of stuff, which, is a whole different subject and how they're useful in certain aspects. Okay, so instead of this, we've got to pull data first and then make it equal something. Okay, so we go data dot player visit. Wait, our loading happens here, and then we instantiate. Okay, so this isn't going to change anything that This is the save. Okay. All right. No, this is backwards. We got to go into here and go this dot my player 5 equals data dot p model, I believe. Yeah. And then this dot player 5, and then we go player position dot this is where we go into our start position because it is a transform out in the world. Dot position equals, and this is the thing that gets on my nerves. I just can't go data dot local position. Okay, I can't. It doesn't work. It doesn't like it. Or does it? A lot of times it will not let you do this. Make something equal something? No. Because it will whine and tell you to that's what it was. This is a transform. Okay. Euler. Oh, come on, autocomplete. Euler angles. And a lot of times it will make you do something dumb. And this is our loading logic. Okay, now before we go into all this seriousness of it, let's go back into our program and look for compiler errors, which, you know, it happens or whatnot, but what can you do? Okay, and we're not actually using these vectors, are we, up here? Start, yeah, no, we're not using them. Okay, well, that's fine. We're not using them serialized or nothing. Alright, so we're not using them to serialize. But we're not actually really doing anything besides the player stuff. Which this must be expanded later on for other purposes than just the player. So we've got our compiler going, and we need to go into the right scene because we start from the main, and this will tell us all the bugs that we need. Now, because I put that file thing in there, we shouldn't get any errors whatsoever. Okay? Load, bam. No errors whatsoever. We load our little guy in, which doesn't have anything, and that is it. What in the world is that still doing there? Save. Okay. Now, alright. We got that. Bam. Okay. So I'm fine with. And there's Olmokin. He's doing our player start. Now, the problem with this particular subject is look where he is. He's in 000. Alright, so we can't have him there because that's not what we want. Alright, so here's a little text box, and we're going to have to make us a save button. Okay. One canvas, and I'm just going to put it anywhere because we don't have anything more than that. And we'll do a little thing right here. Now, because our saving system and stuff is always there, we don't have to worry about anything really weird with the buttons and everything. Because it's instantiated, we don't have to in script add them at runtime, which is, you know, not hard, but it's not exactly the really world spawner, and we will the saving and loading is protected. Sometimes it's just better just to make them public right off the bat, but oh yeah, that's right, protected. We can't exactly do a public like that because we need them to be protected so we can call them from script in a certain way. Now, because we have it like that, we need a public void save doesn't take any parameters. Okay. And we'll need another one that's public in order to work with the buttons on the UI system. Not like the old UI system. You actually have to have them public because they're a script that's accessing another script. Okay. And we will call save here, and in the parameter we put my name because that's what it's accessing with the file is my name. And then we'll copy this because I'm lazy, and this, and we will go load. And that is our script for saving and loading a player, nothing more. And sometimes it's better to have several loading methods, you know, smaller ones than a huge one that just bogs down your whole entire game. We're going to do save first. At runtime, I'll change it. In the inspector, we don't need two buttons. That's silly. Null reference. It's because of our player object, because it's dependent on everything being loaded the way it's supposed to be from the main menu and then go vice versa. Which there is a thing you can do about that. Okay, we'll go like that. File was loaded. Bam. Okay, no errors. This guy is here. We have him at 0, 0. We will push save. Oh man, that sucks. But why did we get a directory not found? Could not find part of seed. Need project. What the hell? Why are you giving me an error about that now? We done one before. Same thing. I mean, it was a little different, but me. More FPS weapons. Whoa, 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 wait. World. Oh, we don't want to do that. We don't want to do that. There. Yeah, that's the problem. You have a file extension thing saying that this is here, and we're trying to add something for a path. See, when you do slashes like that, it's saying that there's a directory there, which a directory is more of filing system, which you don't want because we don't need it. We don't need it. We want it to be one specific file like that. And now we should get out of that error and be goody again. Which I don't know why that one is there. Oh yeah. We was gonna work on weapons. Which we're getting a player. We'll get the weapons and stuff. That's fine. Level. Okay, and here we got this stuff done. We will save. You get no errors this time. So let's try to see what. Oh, yeah, that's right. You had to refresh in order for it to pick up something.